By the time you finish watching this video, dozens more people will have lost their jobs to AI, and it's accelerating fast. Let's dive into the 12 jobs vanishing by 2026, including one that pays over $200,000 a year. Number 1. Let's dive into a role that's facing a significant shift in the modern workplace. We're going to explore a position that, while once a staple in many offices, is now rapidly becoming obsolete due to advancements in technology and automation. Data entry clerk. This used to be a common entry-level job, requiring individuals to input information into computer systems with speed and accuracy. But the reality is, this job is already being replaced. The need for human data entry is diminishing at an alarming rate by AI tools that are becoming increasingly sophisticated and capable. These tools are not just simple programs, they represent a paradigm shift in how data is managed and processed. They can read, interpreting text from various sources with remarkable precision, understand, grasping the context and meaning of the information they process, and transcribe information, converting it into digital formats seamlessly. All this happens faster and more accurately than any human could ever hope to achieve. The speed and efficiency gains are simply undeniable. The reality is that even the most skilled human data entry clerk can't compete with the speed and precision of AI. The error rates are significantly lower, and the processing time is a fraction of what it used to be. Companies are switching, rapidly adopting these new technologies to streamline their operations and reduce costs, to AI-powered systems that automate the entire data entry process, minimizing the need for human intervention. These systems can process millions of forms, handling vast quantities of data with ease. They do this in minutes, a task that would take human workers weeks or even months to complete. They also flag errors, identifying inconsistencies and inaccuracies that might otherwise go unnoticed, and generate reports automatically, providing valuable insights and analysis without any manual effort. As a result, the demand for data entry clerks is experiencing a sharp decline, is plummeting. The job market is shrinking rapidly, and opportunities are becoming increasingly scarce. As these automated solutions become more prevalent, businesses simply stop hiring data entry clerks altogether. This is because automation takes over, handling the tasks that were once performed by human workers. So, if your main task revolves around repetitive data entry, if your primary responsibility is moving information from one place to another, from point A to B, then your job is already a relic of the past. The skills required for this role are becoming increasingly obsolete, and the demand for data entry clerks is rapidly declining. Looking ahead, by 2026, the prospect of finding work, of securing employment, specifically as a data entry clerk, will be an uphill battle, will be nearly impossible. The opportunities will be few and far between, making it extremely difficult to find employment in this field. This role is quietly disappearing, fading away as technology continues to advance. It's slowly fading into history, becoming a thing of the past. Number 2. Telemarketer. A profession that, for decades, has been synonymous with persistence, persuasion, and, let's be honest, a fair amount of annoyance. But even this traditionally human-driven field is now facing a seismic shift. AI-powered voice assistants are stepping into the arena, armed with sophisticated algorithms and the ability to process vast amounts of data. They're not just mimicking human speech, they're learning, adapting, and becoming increasingly effective at engaging potential customers. These AI systems can now make millions of calls, far exceeding the capacity of any human workforce. They operate tirelessly, without breaks or complaints, ensuring that every potential lead is contacted. What's more, they can adapt scripts in real time, analyzing customer responses and tailoring their approach for maximum impact. This level of personalization was previously impossible to achieve at scale, and remarkably, they can handle objections better than humans, remaining calm and professional even in the face of resistance. They're programmed to overcome common hurdles and guide the conversation towards a successful outcome. These systems work 24/7, ensuring that businesses can reach customers at any time of day or night across different time zones, maximizing their reach and potential for conversions. They never get tired, maintaining consistent performance and enthusiasm throughout every interaction, something that's simply not possible for even the most dedicated human telemarketer, and can be optimized continuously, with algorithms constantly learning and improving based on real-world data and feedback. All of this leads to one thing: maximum sales. AI-powered telemarketing is proving to be a highly effective tool for driving revenue and boosting business growth. As a result, companies are rapidly replacing human telemarketers with AI, recognizing the significant cost savings and performance improvements that these systems offer, which can handle calls, emails, and scheduling all at once, streamlining the entire sales process and freeing up human employees to focus on more complex tasks. The entire sales funnel, from initial contact to closing the deal, is being automated, transforming the way businesses interact with their customers and drive sales. By 2026, human telemarketers, as we know them, will be a thing of the past, relegated to the history books as a relic of a bygone era. The job is vanishing, replaced by tireless, intelligent AI agents capable of handling a wide range of tasks with speed and efficiency. The era of the cold call, as delivered by a human, is over. The future of telemarketing is here, and it's powered by AI. Number 3. Retail cashier. Self-checkout kiosks and AI-driven stores like Amazon Go are eliminating the need for cashiers. Customers now scan and pay themselves or just walk out as AI tracks their purchases. Retailers are adopting this technology to cut costs and speed up shopping. Checkout lines are disappearing, and so are cashier jobs. By 2026, cashiers will be rare outside boutique shops. The mainstream retail cashier is being automated out of existence. The shopping experience is being completely reshaped by AI. Number 4. Fast food worker. AI-powered kiosks take orders, and robots like Flippy cook and assemble food with perfect consistency. Automation solves turnover, labor costs, and quality issues for fast food chains. As technology gets cheaper, robots will run kitchens with minimal human staff. By 2026, fast food restaurants will be highly automated, with dark kitchens preparing food for delivery. The classic first job for millions is disappearing. Fast food work is being engineered into obsolescence. Number 5. Bank teller. ATMs and online banking have already replaced most teller tasks. Smart ATMs and AI kiosks now handle complex transactions and connect customers to remote advisors. Banks are closing branches to cut costs, pushing customers to digital channels. By 2026, tellers will be nearly extinct, with only a few specialists left for complex needs. Everyday banking is now fully automated. The friendly neighborhood teller is a casualty of digital finance. Number 6. Travel agent. AI-powered booking platforms now plan trips, find deals, and build itineraries instantly. These systems learn your preferences and predict the best times to book. Why wait for a human agent when AI can do it faster, cheaper, and better? By 2026, travel agents will be a luxury for the ultra-wealthy. For most people, the job is obsolete. AI has made everyone their own travel agent. Number 7. Proofreader. AI writing assistants like Grammarly now catch errors, improve style, and suggest better wording instantly. These tools analyze context, tone, and clarity, far beyond what a human can do in seconds. Businesses and writers get faster, higher quality results for a fraction of the cost. By 2026, dedicated proofreaders will be rare. Proofreading will be an AI-assisted task for writers and editors. The standalone proofreader job is disappearing. Number 8. Customer service representative. AI chatbots now handle thousands of conversations at once in any language 24/7. They resolve most issues instantly, never get tired, and save companies billions. Human agents are only needed for rare, complex cases. By 2026, massive call centers will shrink dramatically. Most frontline customer service jobs will be gone, replaced by efficient AI. The role will shift to exception handling specialists. The change is coming fast. Number 9. Warehouse worker. Warehouses are now filled with robots that pick, pack, and ship products faster than humans. AI-powered arms and autonomous vehicles are taking over every step of the process. Lights-out warehouses run 24/7 with minimal human oversight. By 2026, demand for manual warehouse labor will sharply decline. The warehouse worker boom is ending as automation takes over. Number 10. Paralegal. AI legal tools now review documents, conduct research, and draft contracts in hours, not months. Law firms are adopting these tools to cut costs and boost efficiency. The traditional research-heavy paralegal job is being automated. By 2026, demand for paralegals will plummet. The role will evolve into supervising AI tools and focusing on strategy. The old paralegal job is on a clear path to extinction. Number 11. Radiologist. AI now interprets X-rays, Connecticut scans, and MRIs with accuracy that rivals or surpasses human doctors. These systems flag urgent cases instantly and never get tired. Hospitals are integrating AI into diagnostics, reducing wait times and costs. By 2026, radiologists will supervise AI, not do the bulk of image reading. The demand for radiologists will drop dramatically. Even high-paying, highly skilled jobs are not safe from automation. Number 12 on our list of careers facing disruption: software engineer. A field once considered a bastion of job security, now facing a seismic shift. The rise of artificial intelligence is rapidly changing the landscape of software development, impacting roles and responsibilities in profound ways. AI coding assistants are no longer a futuristic concept. They're here, and they're becoming increasingly sophisticated. They can write, debug, and even translate code between different programming languages with remarkable efficiency. All this from simple prompts. Imagine the implications for productivity and the required skill sets. The human becomes less of a code generator and more of a project manager, a conductor of the AI orchestra, describing what they want in plain language, defining the project's scope and objectives. While AI builds it, handling the intricate details of implementation, companies will need, and this is the crucial point, fewer developers, at least fewer of the traditional kind. One senior architect with AI, wielding the power of these advanced tools, can do the work of 10 or even more junior developers. By 2026, just around the corner, routine coding jobs, the bread and butter of many entry-level positions, will be largely automated, freeing up human developers for more complex and creative tasks. The demand will shift inexorably to AI-savvy architects, individuals who can understand, manage, and leverage the power of AI in software development, and visionaries, those who can see the big picture and guide the evolution of software in this new AI-driven world. The ultimate safe, the seemingly unassailable, high-paying job of a software engineer is now at risk, forcing a re-evaluation of skills and career paths. If AI can automate to a significant degree, the creators, the very people who build and maintain our digital world, it can automate anything. The implications are far-reaching and demand careful consideration. Those are the 12 jobs vanishing by 2026. And this is just the beginning. The AI wave is reshaping every industry, but knowledge is power. For every job lost, new opportunities will emerge for those who adapt. In the next video, I'll reveal the top 5 AI-proof careers and how to future-proof your income. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss out. The future belongs to those who learn to work with AI, not against it.